Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this week's assignment, our major week of assignments. Who are you? Icons frame assignment, folks. A little bit of fun here. We're going to apply the icons that we're going to be using all throughout the year with historical content. But this time is a last kind of check to get to know who you are. I want to know who you are. Maybe you need to get to know yourself a little bit better. So let's walk you through on doing this assignment. Remember, whenever we get to an assignment, we go to the share screen. Then we go down and we go ahead and change anyone with the link or from the permissions from Long Beach Unified to anyone with the link. Copy that link. Then we are going to go back to the Canvas page, and then you're going to submit it in the URL. There are actual typed up directions for that. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this assignment. Do please include your name here and the period number. And here are the directions, folks. If you need help with any of the icons, we have a little bit of a cheat sheet here to kind of let you know what every icon actually means and how we will apply them in historical thinking. On slide 3, it says choose at least 4 of the 12 icons from the next slide. The best express is you can either click this to get the next slide or over here on the left side. Now there are 12 different icons with kind of just different questions or comments. For example, list your hobbies or interests for language of the discipline. What are 3 vocabulary terms that are most closely connected to your hobby or interest, but also include a definition for each? So if you're really big into soccer, like I know my daughters are, they may want to pick this one. If you are like maybe into dance or there's something that really helps you identify with others, what you would do is just highlight the words, go up to this top here, pick a light color to kind of just, this is like a little bit of a helper to figure out which ones we want to do. Now you don't have to highlight each and every one of these. You actually only need to choose 4. So read over each of the icons and the questions or the information on the right. Whatever ones you like, you'll need up to 4 icons to be answered. Now, where does all this information go? There's actually slide 4. If you click here, you're going to see text boxes. This is where you're going to type the name of the icon from slide number 3. So if you want to do ethics, for example, what debatable issue is important to you? Think about issues in our society now. Explain your opinion, but be sure to mention the opposing view as well. So maybe you want to do Black Lives Matter, or do you want to talk about saving the whales? Whatever you feel most strongly about. Go ahead and fill that color in to show what, to kind of just remind yourself at the end, these were my favorites. So read over all of these, highlighting 2. Today we're going to do 1. Tuesday we were trying to do 2 in class, and then Wednesday we're going to do the last one. Okay, so it says for each icon, type at least 2 or more sentences to explain your answer on your frame, which is slide 4. You can even click on these blue links to get to those actual slides. All right, so we're going to include at least 4 images. Also, in addition to our typing of words, and let me go ahead and show you a past representation. Thank you, Sky Johnson Volk. You are the man. So this is what our finished product is going to look like. Notice they have the names of the icons. Notice that they have the actual icon images, which all you'd have to do is go to slide 2, copy and paste these images onto your frame. Okay, so notice how he did that. All right, so let's get back to the assignment. So, like I said, the pacing, 1 today, 2 on Tuesday, 1 on Wednesday, and we'll put our finishing touches, which includes uploading a picture of you in the middle, typing your name, and if you want to see how this is scored, on the last slide, slide number 5, you go ahead and click that, and it shows you a quick scoring guide of what it will take to get a really good grade on this assignment. Basically, if you're being honest and being very thorough in your explanation, like my friend Sky did here, you should be in good shape. Okay, it should be at least 20 words per panel. Each icon is different, and here are your images that you could actually use later for your assignment. Good luck. Please email me if you have any difficulties or questions.